got to convince her. So I can't tip her off that I've got some surreptitious ideas of how I've got to be genuine and honest inside, and probably have a good reason for doing this, killing your ex. So that was always my mantra: was just don't play the villain. Just as a human being, And to this day, I don't really know if he's good or evil, or how much of him is good or how much of him isn't. Just when I think I figured out the character, I'll open up another script and go, oh my god, now I'm completely thrown. But for me, it's always to try and find another dimension.
Since they did ultimately contract you, like 2 or 3 years for the series, how comfortable are you with that?
It remains to be seen. I was shooting a scene last season, which was 3 episodes, and just before the finale, on the scene with Terry O'Quinn to the island, returns after being lost for 4 years, unaccounted for 4 years. And I did a scene, and the director said, okay, great. And I was happy to see him. He says, okay, now for a little bit, do another take, let's get a little more suspicious about it.